You sure you really want to go towards that shed over there?
Sure, why not?
Alright, come on, you big
Let's
wuss.
go.
Next to a giant birdhouse that is really loud, like an HTH-10. I don't like the feeling of that. Cars. Nope, we're good to go.
Good to go.
Horn of hell. No wonder people hate it. It's gonna be so loud.
It'll be so cool.
Yeah, I wonder what that red light is for.
I'm not sure.
What, we're going all the way around?
I'm not gonna hear it over here.
Yeah, I know that, but I didn't want to go all the way around. Oh, god damn. You scared the death out of me.
8:53.
Uh-oh. I'm going back. I'm scared. I'm just gonna stand over here for protection. I'm just a big pussycat.
Well, we can go back over there if you want.
Oh, I know. Well, we'll go over there by noon.
All right.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
So it's 8:53?
8:53.
Is that what, 8:53?
Yep.
Okay. Dan, I'm so scared.
Why?
I never been this close to a siren.
Hey, you have.
How
Over at festival. You were pretty close. Remember when you said "Holy crap"?
That was sick. That was 17 feet away.
They were 18 feet away.
18. My bad. How far is this? 18 feet?
No, we're 12.
12 feet?
Well, let's see closer.
Want to see it closer? It's literally right there, you blind
Yeah.
duck. You go. I'll stay here.
Oh, come on.
No. Make me. What time is it?
8:54.
Oh.
We got 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Cover your ears. It's really loud.
I don't think so.
Well, if it goes off, if I stand here, will that just block the noise towards me?
It'll box a little bit, yeah. I mean, you'll still hear it,
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand here for protection.
but it'll block it.
Oh, Dan, I'm so scared.
Don't be.
It's like going to a bee nest. And this siren is actually 180 decibels loud.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty loud.
Cool.
Oh, I'm shaking. Good thing I brought my earbuds. Okay, now I could barely hear anything. Are you sure you don't want to borrow these?
No. So what are you going to use?
I don't know.
My fingers.
I don't know. Oh, wait, I think I know what this building is used for.
That's where they had the fire truck.
Yeah, the old one.
Yeah.
What time is it?
8:55.
Oh, God. I'm shaking.
In about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I'll give Kim a text telling her it's about ready to go.
Okay. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. But we were parked on that side, and then Mom was like, "It's all right, Kate. Stop being such a pussy."
You want to park over there?
No, I'll be all right over here.
Okay.
Just imagine it went off and the whole water tower fell and squished it.
You want to go over there and push it down?
What?
You want to go over there and push it down?
Huh?
You want to go over there and push the water tower down?
You're too weak. I mean, look at this man. Look at this man. I'm not recording. I'm not recording. Just give me your arm. I was recording the whole time.
I know.
How much time now?
8:56. 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Oh!
And counting.
8:56.
8:57.
Oh, Dan, I'm so scared.
think it's 8:58. I'll send it.
It's nerve-wracking. It'll go off like any minute now.
Well, it should go up at 9 o'clock. Right?
Yeah.
So then we had about 2 minutes to go.
But it'll go off at like 8:59. Oh, the lights went on.
Where?
That's not good. That means it will go off any second. Because I seen that happen and it went off at that time.
Right, I sent it. We got 2 minutes.
Oh boy.
It's a-coming. It's a-coming.
You're scaring me.
You need tape it too?
If you want. How much time now?
I think we have a minute. Anytime now. You gonna stay there?
Yeah. What?
There's Kane behind the building.
Well, there's a big spider. Careful when you come over here. Any minute? 8:59?
Yep.
Oh God. Success. Get over here, you big wuss. I touched it.